Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andrei and you're on Unboxing for All. Yes, it's the number 4. It's not a mistake. As you see, I have superpowers on YouTube. Today I will unbox the rcher 99034. It is a window vacuum cleaner. To remember, it has a 2-year warranty. First, let's see all the sides of the box, because I like photos and writing. Do you like photos? I bet you do. And now let's take everything out. Of the box. Ooh, more pictures. So let's see what is in the box. So we have the plastic container where you put the detergent and some water. We also have some paper. Paper is always good because we have a fireplace and we like to make a lot of fire, especially in winter. Then we have the body of the device. Here is all the magic happening. The spray thing, the microfiber lappen, also called microfiber cloth, but lappen is much a funnier word, and the suction blades and the charger. Now let's put the box aside so that we can see all that was inside. The paper, the first one, what is it here? Goes into the fire. The second one, some pictures, more pictures. Okay, interesting. Go also in the fire. Now let's assemble this thing. So here we have all the parts from the box. Actually, on the photos I have seen something about the detergent that comes with. Yeah, they were in the box, and I guess it's not one but 2 pieces. This was it for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm waiting for your comments down below, and until next time I will wish you all the best.